Golf Foxtrot, Quebec, it'll be a non-standard right-hand circuit, please. Right-hand circuit for you. You'll be following in traffic on the right crosswind. Wind 0308, clear takeoff runway 05.
Clear take off, right-hand circuit. Foxtrot, Quebec.
And Golf Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, Oshawa Tower, to you. Sorry about the delay. Confirm you are ready.
Confirm Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, we're ready to go.
Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, Oshawa Tower, line up and wait a second. Line up and wait, runway 05.
Line up and wait, Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot.
At 5 passing 3,000, passing 2,000 feet, rather contact UE Center 133.4.
Okay, Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, contact Toronto Center on 133.4 through 2,000 feet.
Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, negative, Uniform Foxtrot, hold your position. I was talking to another aeroplane, you need to listen.
Okay, sorry, my apologies, Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot.
At 5, you contact UE Center, Toronto Center 134.
And 133.4, good day, snap 5.
Hotel Zulu Juliet, your number 1, report turning final approach off the right base.
Hotel Zulu Juliet.
And with Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, amendment to your departure clearance, report ready to copy.
Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, ready to copy.
Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, after departure runway 05, it's a left turn heading 270, so again left heading 270, the balance remains unchanged.
Okay, amended departure is turning left heading 270, Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot.
Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, remain initially on this frequency, traffic 5 miles northwest, the field inbound Cessna currently looking at about 1,800 feet. The wind is 0109, clear takeoff runway 05.
Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, clear for takeoff 05.
And tower, it's Oscar Yankee Juliet, 10 miles to the northwest, 2,000 inbound for landing India.
Oscar Yankee Juliet, you're about 4.5 miles, already in the control zone, runway 05, cleared left-hand downwind.
Left-hand downwind, Oscar Yankee Juliet.
Oscar Yankee Juliet, turn southbound now for the left-hand downwind traffic for you departing this time, SR22 will be turning westbound, climbing through to about 3,000 feet.
Alright, turning left now for Oscar Yankee Juliet.
No, you're turning right southbound.
Right with that, Oscar Yankee Juliet.
Foxtrot, Quebec, you're number 2 following the Cessna rated.
Number 2, Foxtrot, Quebec.
You ready?
Affirmative, Yankee Romeo Whiskey.
Yankee Romeo Whiskey, right end, turn out the wind is 0209, clear takeoff runway 05.
Clear for takeoff runway 05, right turn off on departure, Yankee Romeo Whiskey.
Hotel Zulu Juliet, just for my planning, how many more touch and goes do you want to do?
We're doing about 2 or 3 more Hotel Zulu Juliet.
Okay, thank you. Golf Oscar Yankee Juliet, turn correction, join the mid-left-hand downwind. You'll be number 3 following a pair of Cessnas in the opposite downwind.
I'm in left-hand downwind for runway 05, Oscar Yankee Juliet.
Hotel Zulu Juliet, the departing Cessna is eastbound, a standard left-hand circuit for now. The wind 0206, clear touching runway 05.
Hotel Zulu Juliet.
Oshawa Tower, Golf Bravo, Quebec, holding short 05, ready for departure when able.
Golf Bravo, Quebec, Roger, Oshawa Hotel, line up and wait, runway 05.
Line up and wait 05, Golf Bravo, Quebec.
Golf Foxtrot, Quebec, number 1, traffic depart, continue approach.
Golf Foxtrot, Quebec.
Golf Oscar Yankee Juliet, turn right now, so again, turn right now, joining left-hand downwind.
Turn right, Oscar Yankee Juliet.
Oscar Yankee Juliet, you're number 2, you're following a Cessna on a low right base.
Okay, for Oscar Yankee Juliet.
Golf Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, confirm your altitude passing and confirm the transponder is on.
Yeah, Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot crossing through 2,000, transponder is on 5566.
Golf Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, Roger, passing 2,500 feet, connect Toronto Center 133.4, nothing on the radar as yet.
Okay, contact Toronto Center through 2,500.
Golf Golf Bravo Quebec report mid left hand down for 6, swing the wind 0207, clear takeoff runway 05.
Clear to takeoff 05, Golf Golf Bravo Quebec.
Oscar Yankee Juliet, do you have number 1 in sight to follow?
Inside Oscar Yankee Juliet.
Yo.
Oscar Tower Bravo Lima Quebec on Charlie Way to take off 405.
Bravo Lima Quebec, that is noted, remain holding short of runway 05.
Remain holding short 05, Bravo Lima Quebec.
Go Foxtrot Quebec, the wind is 0207, clear to land runway 05.
Third line, Foxtrot Quebec.
Go Foxtrot Quebec, can turn left on runway 30, will do nicely, and ground 118.4.
Foxtrot Quebec.
At Bravo Lima Quebec, we'll want to land, then we'll get you going.
Roger, Bravo Lima Quebec.
Go Oscar Yankee Juliet, the wind is 0208, clear to land runway 05.
Land 05, Oscar Yankee Juliet.